Hi guys, can you guess this phone? You got it right, it is a Samsung. I recently just replaced its screen because it had got broken. So sit back as I show you the journey how I got this phone up to here. Firstly, I used a pair of tools that opened the back cover. This exposed the inside battery and the main fiber. I then used a screwdriver to open the upper casing. This exposed the motherboard. I opened the downer cover as well. The downer cover contains the speaker. By opening it, the flex was exposed as well. I then placed the phone to the screen separator to heat it for some time. This made the whole phone hot. Then I was able to remove the damaged screen with ease. I used the tweezer most of the time. After removing the screen, the titanium board was exposed. I brought my new screen and applied some glue to it by smearing around it. On a side note, it is important to make sure that you don't put the glue on top of the screen. By doing so, you will be blocking some sensors which are located on top, like the light sensor and so on. After putting on the screen, I placed back the top cover and then added the screws. I placed back the downer cover as well and then put back the screws using a screwdriver. After that, I placed back the back cover. I added some rubber bands to make sure that the screen sticks with the titanium board. The rubber bands should be left for some time because the glue takes time to stick the screen and the titanium board. After everything is done, I pressed on the power button and turned on the phone. After the phone powering on, I tested the sensor, showing that everything works fine. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.